Yeah. Oh, I have a really cute photo of me. You guys, I look hot, and I'm gonna post it. You're gonna see. Just look. I did a photo shoot here once. I look like I'm walking through the sagebrush foraging for brownie paper towels. Won't you join me on a haunted history walking tour? It's a tour that's haunted, there's history, and we walk, you know? What is up this path, over this bridge, and over this creek that roars with water? Why, we're at the Mill Fork Cemetery, y'all. Now, this cemetery and I have a history. And I brought Auntie Panties with me. Hello, Auntie Panties. Mill Fork Cemetery was established in the 1800s. And there's some interesting graves here. Shall we take a look and see what I mean? Please enter. Oh. So here, there's graves of children, and in front of some of the graves, I remember there being little boxes with mementos from their life inside. So I'm gonna see if they're still here after I get tetanus. God, a tetanus shot. God damn it. Pardon my language. Oh, I don't see it here. There is a locker though, in case you want to go to high school in the afterlife. Should I open it? Oh my God. Oh, it was a shovel. I was scared for my life. Are we sufficiently out of breath now?
Yeah.
But there's a lot of children in this area. I don't know the story or why, but there used to be little plexiglass boxes with things from the babies in it. The cemetery was actually founded in 1893 when 3 children in the Finch family contracted scarlet fever and died, all because their mother allowed a woman who was escaping Grand Junction from the scarlet fever epidemic with her daughter to live with them in their house, thus infecting everyone and then killing them all in the end. The most tragic story of all is about Ida Ballard. Her husband Paris was crazy and drunk one night, shot and killed her, and then killed himself. And in some weird, ironic twist, the family buried them still side by side in the cemetery. Definitely strange if you ask me. Many people drive up Highway 6 going towards Price. They don't even know this exists. So I thought I'd give you a tour. Let's see what we've got over here. Does anyone here have any pictures of the old plexiglass boxes that had like belongings in them that used to be above the graves? I know I'm not crazy. If you do, post them to my Facebook page under the Paranormal Polynesian or on Instagram. Yeah, I'm not seeing the things I used to. They're very interesting. Well, anyhow, the reason why this cemetery is interesting to me is because the last time I was here, I went home and a little girl followed me back and started haunting our house. And she would run up and down the stairs, and we would hear her. The lights would turn on and off in the guest bedroom, and my husband even saw this. And it wasn't until I came back here and brought some flowers and sat them down, asked her to leave. She finally did, and she left us. But she came from here. Probably one of these tiny little baby graves. And actually, I don't know a whole lot about the cemetery, so I'm going to have to look it up and let you know. But it's definitely, it's a neat little place. It's a sweet little cemetery. Don't you think? It's sad. It's a lot of children here. And then you've got the picnic area. That pretty bridge. So, yeah. Come check it out. It's up Highway 6 about, I'd say, maybe 15 miles east of Spanish Fork. Somewhere around there, heading towards Price. But definitely worth a look. Let's make our way back down. You doing okay, Auntie Panties?
Doing okay.
Good. This is our big adventure for the day. You want to say my tagline with me to the folks at home? You know? Do you know it? But anyways, thanks for joining us. So this is Adam signing off and saying, keep it paranormal. Bye.